If I could forget him, I would. Please believe me. I know that I should throw the towel in, but baby, it's not that easy. Hey, you treat me so much better than him. If I was sane, there'd be no competition. I am in love with someone else. I'm so sorry. Hey, hey, I'm in love with another man. I'm so sorry. You should go and find someone else who can treat you right, give you the world. Someone who understands the man you are. 'Cause baby, you shine so bright, and I would just dim your star. A girl who treats you like you treat them. Boy, I know there's plenty women who would love to have a man like you. But I am in love with someone else, and I'm so sorry, baby, for what I did to you, babe. I can't explain why it's him and it's not you. 'Cause at the end of the day, baby, I just don't want to see any doubt, no. And we always seem to fight. He got the perfect body, and sometimes he don't even treat me right. Oh, but when I'm with him, but when I'm with him, but when I'm with him, ain't nobody else like him. And I'm so sorry. Do you hear me? I'm so sorry for what I did to you, baby. Oh, and I'm so sorry. And I'm so sorry. Do you hear me? I'm so sorry for what I did to you, baby. I'm in love with another man. I'm so sorry.